Hi there, Jono Spring from New Zealand Sotheby's International Realty, right here in the mighty Manawatu. If you're on the hunt for a brand new 3-bedroom home on a quiet rear section at an affordable price, then look no further than this home at 149 Rugby Street, Awapuni. With a well thought through design and expert finishing, you need to come and see this house for yourself. Let's go have a look. Hey team, if you appreciated this home as much as we do, then you know the drill. Come along this Sunday to one of our open homes or contact me, Jono Spring, at Sotheby's Manawatu for a private viewing. I look forward to hearing from you.